Everybody, I was gifted by SolaWave their Radiant Renewal 4-in-1 skincare wand. It is supposed to smooth, depuff, tighten, soothe, renew, sculpt, tone, and lift your skin. The way that it works is it uses 4 different power sources. It's red light therapy, galvanic current, therapeutic warmth, and a basic facial massage in order to get circulation going. So basics, inside the box you have the USB cord to charge it. It actually is a magnetic charger on the back there. You have the wand itself, and then you have a carrying case as well as the instructions and everything. So there's the carrying case. I mean, you can see this is where the wand went, and then the charger. And then the charging cable. I mentioned the 4 different features that it provides, but I didn't really get into what each one does. So just to give you an idea, red light therapy is going to rejuvenate the skin and help to smooth the fine lines. Galvanic current promotes better absorption of skincare product. The therapeutic warmth is going to help to smooth the skin and help to reduce the appearance of dark circles. And then facial massage reduces puffiness and, like I said, boosts circulation, boosts collagen, which then gives your skin more of a radiant look. So how they say to use this is you apply a serum to your skin. They did send me also the SolaWave Renew Complex Activating Serum for Skincare Wands, which contains blue tansy, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera, so it's going to be a very hydrating serum. So you apply the serum, though you can use your own serum as well. You don't have to use theirs. You turn on the wand, and get this. This is my error. I've been trying to just push it, and it wasn't turning on, so I thought it was broken. Just contacted them, of course. As soon as I contact them, I figure out, and had I read the directions a little bit more thoroughly, I would have known this, but you hold it in for 2 seconds, and then it turns on. And it's hard to see it with my lights, but it turned on. You have a red light here, and then it has like a massaging, vibrating action. The neat thing too is the top part turns so it can contour to whatever facial part you want to use. So like I said, you apply the serum and then you run it along the jaw, cheeks, under the eye, forehead, and then you hold it in again to turn it off. It will automatically turn off when your session is over. For this video, I'm just going to turn it off. But I'm really going to put it to the test because if you can see, I really have my rash going crazy. And as always, my dark circles. I haven't been sleeping that well, but what's new there? I really have high hopes, I'll say, because I have heard so many wonderful things about SolaWave. Not to mention, red light therapy is like the latest and greatest in terms of skincare. In the recent years, they've learned how positive it is for skincare, the amount of benefits that your skincare. So I'm sure you've seen like all these red light LED masks that are going on. Even me, I have a mouth one that I've been using, and I've been happy with the results. So I'm excited to see what I will get from my SolaWave. They were generous enough to include the Renew Complex with the SolaWave wand. So you can see it's a basic serum. It contains blue tansy, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera, all 3 of which are very hydrating. And you want to apply a serum prior to using the SolaWave because the vibration of the wand, I think as well as the light, is going to help to increase the absorption of the product into your skin. So you don't have to use the SolaWave serum. You can use whatever serum that you would like. You want to use whatever serum because it's going to increase the efficacy of the wand itself. What it says about the SolaWave serum: the activating serum can be used with skincare wands or on its own to hydrate and soothe your skin. Formulated with calming blue tansy, moisture boosting hyaluronic acid, and soothing aloe vera. So like I said, very, very hydrating and healthy for your skin. Supercharge your results. Our signature serum is specifically formulated with activating ingredients that can boost the results of at-home skincare wands. Renew Complex quenches and plumps the look of your skin for nourishing nutrients for an all-day glow. Just FYI, it's phthalate-free, paraben-free, petroleum-free, mineral oil-free, and silicone-free. So very, very healthy. It also contains cucumber water, which is, again, very, very hydrating and soothing to the skin. It says apply a thin layer of serum to clean, makeup-free skin When using a skincare wand, apply a generous layer to your face and neck and glide the wand slowly in upward and outward motions for radiant results. Reapply as needed. So skincare wands, a lot of times you have to have like a, can't think of the word for it, but a serum, a gel, whatever, that's going to help to increase the efficacy of the wand. Similar to like an ultrasound, you apply the petroleum jelly and it helps the wand to glide. It helps the ultrasound equipment to glide better over your skin to see the baby or whatever else you might be ultrasounding. Obviously, my skin could use a lot of soothing and a lot of redness relief, so I have high hopes for this baby. I am going to use this consistently every day, once a day. They say for at least 2 weeks to really see results, so I'm going to do that and I will report back in 2 weeks. This is obviously the before. See y'all in 2 weeks. Don't forget to subscribe.